Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn how to check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not, and we shall learn this topic by an example, and the example is as follows. Check whether the following given numbers are perfect cube. This is the example, and in this example we are given a number 256 and the other number is given 216, and we shall learn this topic by this example. So let us start with part 1, and in part 1 we are given a number 256. First of all, we shall write this 256 as the product of its prime factors, like this: 2 into 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 2. This is the product of prime factors of 256. And now we shall group the factors in triplets of equal factors, like this. On grouping the factors in triplets of equal factor, we get 256 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and like this. So clearly, in grouping the factors in triples of equal factor, we are left with two factors, 2 into 2. So we conclude that this 256 is not a perfect cube. So this is the solution of the part 1, and now we shall learn from part 2. And in part 2 we are given a number 216, and now we shall factorize this 216 by using prime factorization method. And by this method, this number can be divided by 2 to get 108, and this number can also be divided by 2 to get 54, and this 54 can also be divided by 2 to get 27, and we know that 27 can be divided by 3 to get 9, and this 9 can be divided by 3. So we can write this 216 like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And now we shall make triples of the equal factors like this. So we observe that on grouping the factors in triples of equal factors, we are left with no factor. So we can say that this 216 is a perfect cube, and we can find the number whose cube is 216 like this. 216 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This means 2 cube into 3 cube. This means 6 cube equals to 206. So we've observed that 216 is cube of 6. So this is how we check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not. Thank you.